Red cups and sweaty bodies everywhere, hands in the air like we don't care. Cause we came to have so much fun now. Got somebody here, might be the one now.
So hello guys, once again, good morning, and we are here at the Harrison now. So we're going to drink our coffee. We're going to take our breakfast. I just finished my customer. Love.
Yes.
Oh.
Hold on.
Okay, be careful.
How many customers? One?
Only one.
Okay.
Did you eat?
Huh?
Did you eat?
Yeah, this sweet is breakfast.
What did you eat? What did you eat?
What did you say?
What did you eat?
Yeah, I finished the bread.
Bread?
This bread.
Okay.
Bread and salt. You?
I eat rice. Huh?
What did you say?
I eat rice.
Why?
I said I ate rice.
Oh, of course. Nice.
Hmm?
Chicken?
Yeah. Connection is very poor.
Huh?
The connection is very poor.
I think it's really good. We are
Huh?
we are the mountain place. I think it's here. I see you clear now.
You hear me clear?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, see you. Yeah, I think it's fine. Yeah, it's made a more connection.
Yep.
Yeah.
I feel pain on my back. Really, it's killing me.
Why?
When I'm sweating, I feel pain. Oh my God.
Maybe the way you sleep.
What can I do with my back?
Maybe you use too many pillows. That's why.
I didn't use pillow last night, and I removed the one that I wear last night. I removed it.
Where you feel pain? Your shoulder?
The back, love, this back.
In the middle of the back?
Yeah, you know these two, like this one, and this one, and I think the pain is inside the bone now. Yeah.
Maybe it's because because you sleep with air conditioning, you are in the cold, and later on you expose the body to the heat.
Yeah.
That's why.
Maybe.
I know. I feel pain in my body too.
I don't know what is this.
My arms. Because I do this every day. It didn't stop.
Be careful. You're doing like this, your hands, and you were driving.
No. We are, like I say, I feel pain over here in my shoulder, but I think it's the way I sleep. Because
Maybe.
I always sleep on the one side, the bed.
This pain that I have is like when I do like this, when I bend,
Yeah, you know, be careful. You know, you try, like I say, you try to sleep in different position.
Yeah.
Or maybe, I think always you use the pillows.
No, I use the soft pillow, the small one, not the stripe, the small one. It's soft. It's not, you know. The
Maybe
other one I put on my
maybe,
feet, and the other one I put on my side.
you know, right now it's normal that you have pain because you period, you know, but
But no,
you
this
know,
is
but
not for my throat. No,
huh?
it's not because of that. Because I have no. It's, it's killing me.
You don't take shower when you get home, right?
No, never. Since before when I have also this pain, never take shower anymore.
Maybe you lift heavy stuff.
No. Oh, see, it's inside the bone now. What can I do with this?
Oh, okay. You don't take medicine, right?
No medicine for this.
Huh?
What is the medicine for this one?
No. Like before, you taking vitamins.
No, no more. I will buy maybe. I will buy.
Maybe, like I say, maybe you need to buy something for muscular pains because as you told me that it's very hot outside. You go
Is there
outside.
any
You
medicine for love? Love,
see,
love.
you are in all day long with the air conditioning,
That's
and later
why.
on you expose yourself to the heat.
Yeah.
Or you will suffer pain. You know?
Is there any
Yeah.
medicine for this pain to take?
For pain,
Yeah, to take, not to put.
medicine.
Yeah, I'm asking you if is there any medicine for this pain?
Tylenol, Albi.
Oh, it's not muscle pain or body pain. It's not for that.
Yeah, when you know that you can use the medicine for muscular pain.
I will try to buy Tylenol
The medicine that
tonight when I get home.
you use for a fever.
When I go home, I will try to buy
When
Tylenol.
you have fever, you have pain in your body.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Just ask the people in the pharmacy.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Ask the people in the pharmacy what kind of medicine you can take.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Love,
Yes.
take a video if you have time.
Later. Yeah, later. Okay?
Mm.
Yeah, later.
How many staff you have? How many deliveries you have today?
7.
Is it?
7 we just made only
Is it?
one.
Oh my God.
You are far. Yeah, I told you.
So you think you will be home late today?
Yesterday I was, like I said, I will, be home like at 3 o'clock, but I was stuck in the traffic.
Yeah, you get home late last night.
Maybe I don't know what time. Maybe
You know that?
3.
Your connection is not good because your photo it's not clear. Not really clear.
Yeah.
Yep. Sometimes it's blurred. Allah. What
Okay.
happened?
See this?
Ah. Careful.
Yeah. You hear me now?
I hear you.
See this? Got a problem with the wheel. That's why I want to get it.
Ah, okay, you buy. Why you cannot buy tonight? Today?
I gotta go to the Chinese because the Chinese woman sell the product.
Uh-huh. When you go to the China.
No. She get there with while her wife work. When I buy the food,
Ah.
but I haven't seen her.
How old
But
is she?
I think we'll buy.
How old is she?
She's old woman. She's old woman.
Old woman.
Yeah. Come on. She's old woman. Don't worry about it. I will buy in 7-Eleven. They say they'll sell in 7-Eleven.
Okay, try.
Yeah, 7-Eleven, you know, because this is no good. This is, you know, I will, because the original cost $150. I'm not gonna pay that.
Here, last night, remember I went to this iPhone accessories last night? 559. It's like this. This original one.
What?
This
The
one,
AirPod?
yeah. 500 dirhams. So it's too much. Oh my god, it's 6,000 in Philippines, 7,000. No way.
You see this one?
I will
This
buy
one
new
it cost
phone
me
for
100.
this.
This one cost me 100. Or now you can buy by $36.
I will not buy any accessories for my phone for $100. No. I will not buy
No.
like
You
that.
know,
500, yeah, it's okay. 500
You know-
pesos is okay.
you know the originals. How much it costs? The original earphone, like
Almost
cost
$200.
$30 here.
The original. The original?
The earphone from iPhone.
Yeah. It's expensive. I want to go out, but
Yeah.
the chair wasn't. I don't know where did we put the chair. I wanna sit down outside.
Why?
You drink coffee? Coffee? I have
Hi,
bread.
Daddy.
I
Yes, Daddy
Why
said
you-
hi.
How are you, Daddy? Hi, Daddy.
want you.
Myla never been a daddy,
Huh?
No, I'm telling her you never been a daddy.
Why not?
You're not a daddy. You don't have kids. What happened? I cannot hear you. I cannot. No sounds.
I'll call you later.
Okay. Take care.
I'll call later, okay?
Be
Yeah,
safe.
I can find the number of the house.
Yeah, okay. Be careful, okay?
Okay, love you, bye, bye.
Love you too.
Bye,
Bye.
bye.
Love you.
Bye, bye. I love you, bye.
Bye. Makakatawa to sila eh. So, guys, I just got home and I'm going to cook. I'm gonna cook chicken adobo. So, let's do it. I'm cooking now. I just got home, and now I'm going to cook. It's late again.
Ito daw, kamatis eh, o salang.
Isa lang. So guys, stand by guys because I'm going to cook. So mag-aadobo po tayo ng manok. Kanina po, ang sakit ng tiyan ko, hindi ko alam kung ano. Hindi naman, wala naman ako yata nakain na masama. Pero ang sakit po talaga ng tiyan ko kanina. So ito po guys, ang aking niluluto. Mag-aadobo po muna tayo ng chicken today. Kasi, wala po tayong ibang maluto. Mga bato pa po yung nasa ref. So, ayan po. Ayan. Oh my God! Na-vlog pa! Ayun pala. So, ating tatakpan ang ating niluto. Kasi, asan ang sakit nito? Ay, po. Ito ba? So, tatakpan natin ito. So, ayan guys. Tatakpan muna natin ng konti. So, ayan. Nandito na po tayo. So, ito na naman po tayo. As usual, kakain naman po tayo. Magkikreate naman po tayo ng katatawanan. So guys, kain po tayo. Naluto na po yung aming adobo. May ganun marami. Marami naman pagkain. Kain. Wow, may viewers na siya. Sino yan?
Okay.
Guys, wag po kayong magtaka kung bakit tuwing kainan kami lang po dalawa ang palaging kumakain.
Nag-diet po sila.
Nagda-diet po kasi yung iba namin mga kasamahan. So, kami, hindi kami nagda-diet. Wala kami pakialam. Basta lahat ng food sa harapan namin, tinitira namin yan. Kaya ano pa man yan. Kaya prutas, kaya kanin. So, ganun po kami katakaw.
Hi everyone, this is me Francisco again. I just got home from work. I haven't taken lunch, so now let's go get something to eat. Let's go eat. Have a good afternoon. Bye. Take care. Bye. No, the iPhone, when you had the product that not original, the phone rejected.
Ayan.
Yeah, the phone say this item is not compatible. So that's me. It won't work. Yeah. So I hope you can find a piece at the salon.
I hope so.
Always. No. You always put it in the purse. Always put it in the safe place.
Just today, I forgot because of this madam.
Why? Did he say something to you?
Not to me. I was at the reception and she came to the salon. And I was laying my back because I feel pain and she said, "What happened?" She start doing quack quack. Oh my God. You know how many hours she quack quack quack? 1 hour and a half. Oh my God. We go home late. You know?
Next room.
What happened?
No. The mama, the owner, I think is talking to his brother. I don't know. Look like they fighting. I don't know. I thought somebody happened to the phone, but don't worry about it.
I take care of the phone as much as I can.
Don't worry, tomorrow if you can get it, you can buy it. Not a problem, you know. See, it's only a small thing. Don't feel bad.
I know I can find it anywhere, but the problem is, I feel like I like that one because it's together with the phone.
But sooner or later, listen to me. But sooner or later, that thing is gonna damage because it's damaged.
Mm.
You know. From here, I will show you. From here, see this part.
Mm.
That's what happened to my other one when I bought the phone. This one, it get
What is
cut.
that? What is the thing that inside that?
Yeah, huh?
What is that one?
That's why I bought the AirPod because with this one always need an adapter when you use the earphone.
I want to buy the earpod now.
Huh?
I want to buy. I want to
Hello?
have.
What do you say?
I want to have that earpod.
Yeah, with the earpods it's more better
Yeah.
because you can talk
But
to
the
me.
one,
We can talk.
but the one I see in this supermarket here, it's China. I don't
Uh-huh.
like it. No, it's not working in my phone.
Why's not working on your phone?
The one that I saw in this
The
supermarket
Chinese?
here. Yeah, ching chang, something like that.
Oh, okay. Look, I don't know why he speaks Chinese, but if you buy the original, in my speak Chinese, speak English.
It's very expensive. I can find it
Huh?
for 65. It's okay.
Or speak Arab, I don't know.
No, this one is okay. But it's 65 next time.
You know the phone, this phone. When you set up the phone, you can send it in your language, Tagalog. Even the GPS, you can send in Tagalog, Filipino, whatever, any language.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
cannot see your face, love. You're hiding in the camera.
I don't know. See me?
I cannot see your face.
I don't know.
Yeah, like
Come,
that.
I don't know. Huh?
Yeah, it's okay like that.
I don't know.
Where did you go when I called you? You didn't pick up the phone right away.
I was in the bathroom. I told you I was in the bathroom.
Hmm.
I was in the bathroom. Why?
No, I'm just asking.
No, I was in the bathroom. No? Why?
I just
No. I was in the bathroom. No. Every time I go to the bathroom, you know. I was running, to get the phone.
Hmm.
Yeah.
It's okay. I
Why?
know you will call me.
Huh?
Because I want to tell you that I feel bad because of the small things that I don't know. I just hope that I only forgot in the salon. But if I lost outside, oh my God.
Listen. Don't let the small things bother you, okay?
Okay.
Everything has a solution. I already told you.
Huh?
I already told you. Don't worry about the small things.
Yeah, okay.
Everything has a solution. Okay?
Don't hide.
I'm not hiding, my goodness.
Yeah, I want like that.
Listen, see, don't let the things bother you. Don't sleep, don't lose your sleep because small shit.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Don't let the things bother you.
Mm.
I hope you live in the salon.
Yeah, I hope so.
Always keep it, if you buy them, always keep it the first.
Okay, maybe I will not take it anymore.
Huh?
Maybe I will not take it anymore. You know why I remove from the phone? Because I'm charging the phone. If my phone is, the battery is not, low, I will not remove it from the phone, but because I was charging. So that's why.
I never use that thing because right now I use it because, I have my earphone. But the earphone, but, no,
My phone is only 2 weeks.
huh?
My phone is only 2 weeks.
3 weeks?
2 weeks. 2.
2 weeks?
I bought this phone September 2nd or September 1st.
Okay.
When I bought this phone.
I think the phone has 3 weeks. 3 weeks or 2 weeks.
I don't think so. I'll check the receipt. Where is the receipt in my phone?
You can get that thing.
Okay.
It's only an adapter.
I cannot see you.
But now,
Yeah.
it's only an adapter. Don't worry about it. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. See. You see, if when you get, if you lost it, if you lost, when you get the accessory for the phone, the accessory for the phone, you can get it. Okay? How do you think? No, it's not gonna be original if you buy it. But why not? What is not original? It doesn't
Because
nothing.
I feel like when I buy outside, even if they will say it's original, for me I feel like it's not original because for me only the things that you buy together with the phone is the original. So this is how I feel.
No. When I buy this when I went to the went to buy this adapter, I went to the store to to the store where they sell phones. I don't care if it's not original. If it's working, that's okay. That's okay for me.
Yeah.
Yeah. By the way, when the iPhone, when you had the product that's not original, the phone rejected.
Yeah.
Yeah, the phone say the this item is not compatible. So that's mean it won't work. Yeah. So I hope you can. Don't worry, you will find a little piece, okay? Yeah, don't worry about it. If you're not, you have to buy another. Don't worry, it's all. Don't worry, that's all small things, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Don't worry about it. It's only small things, okay?
I already buy the protector in front, so only the case I want to buy.
Yeah.
Because the protector that I have, it's good. It's from the, yeah, it's good.
Okay.
It's
Yeah,
thick.
you have to protect the phone because if you drop it, the phone is metal, it will get dented.
Yeah. Maybe This end of the month, I will take this Samsung to the one who will repair this one.
You can repair?
I will ask
Uh-huh.
where I bought this one.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
But it's gonna cost you a lot of money, you know?
Yeah, I think so.
Because this phone, the phone that I have, it cost me, if you want to get fixed, $150.
You know, before Aisha, you know the charger, you know that when you charge the phone, the hole inside, Aisha cannot charge the phone because the charger is broken. I don't know, you know the inside. And Aisha asked this man where I bought this phone. He said, do you fix this thing? And the man said, yeah, but you have to leave your phone because I will take it to our shop. Then when and you know the built-in, the battery is built-in, right? It's not removable. He also changed the battery, so the battery become good. So you know, so I said I will also take this one to this, but I don't know. I will ask first how much. If they can fix it and it become better and the same, that this,
Yeah, because you phone in the screen.
yeah.
It's like, yeah, it's like that, you know, like a glass.
Yeah.
I don't know. That's like a glass, so I don't know. See, it has to be, if you can be replaced or not. I think so, you know. I think so.
Mm. Where's my video?
I make only quick video today because when I got home.
Then okay, so guys, as you can see, I'm talking to him right now. I'm in my bed and he's also in his bed, so he wanna say something to you. Okay, say now.
Hi everyone, how are you? I just got home. I just ate my dinner. I'm relaxing, watching TV, talking to my Lord. Have a good night.
Yeah. Okay, so that's how sweet my love is. He's so kind. So need to say good night to everybody.
Good night, everybody. Have a great night.
Yeah, okay. So guys, it's time for us to say good night because it's getting late here, and as usual we need to get up early tomorrow because we both have work tomorrow. And what time you wanna wake up?
6:30.
Oh, so I will wake him up 3:30, and it's the time here is like 11:30 in my time here. So good night everyone. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, and to those who didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe and follow us on YouTube so you can also know the journey of our love. Good night everybody. I'll see you on my next video.
So delightful, and since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.